Hi there, Tweety here. I am going to talk to you about your Christmas budget. Yes, that's right, your Christmas budget. Now, a lot of you buy gifts for the winter holidays, and you have anywhere from 1 to 12 or 20 people that you buy your presents for. Well, most people go in debt at this time of year, unfortunately. And we would like to suggest, as well as Fargo had me suggest several years ago, that you set aside $25 each month. Now, first you make a list, and you put down everybody on the list that you want to be able to buy a gift for. And you set that $25 aside to buy for each person. And you tell everybody on your list that this year you're not going over more than $25, and you would like them all to do the same. And it could be as high as $25, but maybe as low as $15. So that way nobody's going to be expecting to have to go broke this year, and you can help with that in this way. Now, we all know that young little girls like to primp and priss, and even we do. As 70 years old, I still like to primp and priss. And all kids love to color. Every one of them that I've ever known loves to color. Now, young boys like to build things or kill things, and you know someone who likes to collect something, and there are people who have special talents, and there is that one that has a hobby, and there's one who loves to read, and then there's that one that absolutely is crazy over a special type of team. Grandpa likes to have a special kind of aftershave. And let's see, Grandma always dresses in the same color, and teens love music. Now, teens are going to be the hardest one for you. So right now, before it's even a holiday season again, you pick up that phone and you call that niece or nephew, and you say to them, look, I was just listening to music the other day, and I noticed a song that I really loved when I was about your age, and I still love all their greatest hits. What is your favorite band? And they're going to tell you. Well, come Christmas time, they're going to think that you're the greatest because you remembered. Now, even though you get gifts for all your family and friends, there are going to be those forgotten or unexpected people on your list. And for those, you're going to buy unisex, non-committal gifts that you can tuck away and save, and in case a birthday or an anniversary comes up, you'll be able to pull out something from your treasure box and be able to supply it. And if nobody uses them, then come Christmas, you can even give an extra one or two to some of those people on your list. Now, you're going to spend maybe $15 to $20 on each of those people. With that $5 that's left over, we suggest that you treat yourself. Now, you can treat yourself with stuff you can wear. You can treat yourself with fingernail polish, with ingredients for a special treat. You can make it yourself or you can buy it. You can do just about anything to treat yourself with that last $5. Now, when you get all the presents purchased each month, or one every month for like $20 or $25 on the 25th, because that's about the day that everybody else is going to remember that it's Christmas time, so you take that $25 out on the 25th of the month, you go buy a present for somebody on your list, and you tuck it away. You hide it up in a closet somewhere. And then come Christmas time, you have enough money left over to buy some great wrapping paper for everybody. Nobody has to go in debt. You've got everybody covered. And you don't have to worry about the stress, going overdrawn, going over budget. This way, it's all spread out throughout the year. And you can have a nice, peaceful time if you happen to buy presents for people for special occasions. Now, the other way you can do this is just continue to do this, but not necessarily to buy gifts for a special holiday. Somebody might be leaving your office, and a going away present would be nice. Or maybe how about going for just a I love you present or a thank you present. Those are always good too. Stick those in the closet. But only do a few and you've got yourself covered. You don't have to do it for a special holiday. Remember, go to our post on salvation. You will learn why we don't do Christmas, and we encourage others not to either. It's a biblical stand. You will love being able to celebrate every Sunday with the Lord. Anyway, God bless you. Hope this tips help you, and you have a blessed day. Bye now.